Hello, today we're going to take a look at the LCD or liquid crystal display for the Arduino Uno. So here we have the LCD itself, which is connected through a breadboard to the Arduino. So I'm not going to wire it in the video, but I'm going to explain where each of the components goes. So the rightmost pin over here connects to the ground. The second one connects to the power supply, the 5 volt. The third one connects to the potentiometer over here on the breadboard, which controls the LCD's display. The fourth one, or the RS, connects to the digital pin 7. The fifth one connects to the ground. The sixth one connects to digital pin 8. Now these are left blank, these over here. Now we go over to this end. So the first one from this side connects to the ground. The second one again connects to the 5 volts. The third one connects to digital pin 12. The fourth one to digital pin 11, and the fifth one to digital pin 10. The sixth one connects to digital pin 9. These are all on the Arduino Uno, as you can see. So let's plug it in and see if it works. So right now, this is displaying Hello World, though for some reason it's not showing on the video. So in the description box below, I'm going to upload the schematics, the wiring diagram, and a picture of the completed project. Thanks for watching.